Hello and welcome back to Limble. Today's topic is Asset Lifecycle Management. In this video, we'll define Asset Lifecycle Management, describe the benefits of Asset Lifecycle Management, dive into the 4 stages of Asset Lifecycle Management, and discuss how you can manage and maintain your assets so you can get the most out of your equipment at any stage of its useful life. Asset lifecycle management is the process of monitoring an asset's performance over time to optimize how it is used and maintained. If done well, asset lifecycle management can significantly extend a machine's useful life and contribute to many other benefits, such as minimizing the cost of ownership and improving preventive maintenance strategies, safety, and compliance. Without adequate lifecycle management, most assets will experience steady increases in maintenance expenses and decreases in productivity over time. By monitoring an asset throughout its life cycle, a business can learn how an asset's physical condition is impacted by ongoing use. It can also measure the asset's contribution to productivity and revenue, its ongoing maintenance costs, and more. There are 4 universal stages of asset lifecycle management: planning, acquisition and deployment, operation and maintenance, and decommission and disposal. The first stage, planning, is when an organization determines the need for a new asset. Organizations may need a new asset to replace outdated equipment, improve productivity, or meet updated environmental goals or regulations. This stage involves extensive research from internal stakeholders on what the organization needs in a new asset, as well as research on the options available on the market that may best fill the need. Next is the acquisition and deployment stage. This is when organizations apply their established procurement processes to ensure the right budget planning and due diligence are done as part of the purchase. Once received, the asset must be properly deployed, which involves the coordination of delivery, installation, and operator training. Finally, the asset can enter the operation and maintenance stage. Naturally, this is the longest stage in the life cycle of most assets, and organizations take steps to extend it for as long as possible. Operating and maintenance schedules are created based on vendor instructions and safety thresholds. Regular monitoring of the asset during operation is essential to detect any performance issues or wear and tear. In addition, consistent and timely proactive and corrective maintenance reduces the risk of unexpected failures, emergency repairs, and unwanted downtime and slows deterioration. Last is the decommission and disposal stage, which occurs when the asset becomes obsolete, inoperable, or simply too inefficient to continue using. When the cost of operation and maintenance of the asset overruns whatever productivity the asset contributes, it is time to decommission the asset. Organizations may have the option of auctioning or reselling the asset, or they may simply dispose of it at a recycling facility. In order to perform effective asset lifecycle management through all stages, businesses must be able to gather, store, and analyze a lot of asset data. Modern CMMS, Computerized Maintenance Management System, and EAM, Enterprise Asset Management Software, are designed to support organizations in doing just that. By documenting asset use and maintenance activities while connecting to condition monitoring devices such as IoT sensors, CMMS and EAM systems play an integral role in any asset lifecycle management strategy. Thanks for watching, and visit limblecmms.com to learn more about how to get the most value out of your equipment and assets.